Welcome back to my video. Today, you're going to enjoy a full home cleaning transformation in stunning 4K quality. Every corner of the house is cleaned step by step, from dusting shelves and wiping countertops to scrubbing tiles and polishing floors. Watch as the kitchen becomes sparkling clean, with sinks, stovetops, and cabinets shining like new. The bathroom is deeply cleaned, including toilets, mirrors, bathtubs, and tiles, leaving it hygienic and fresh. Bedrooms and living rooms get thorough dusting, vacuuming, and organizing, while carpets and floors are scrubbed, mopped, and polished perfectly. Even the windows are cleaned inside and out, making the whole house look bright and inviting. This video is not only visually satisfying, but also enjoys before and after transformations. You'll notice how small cleaning steps can create a huge impact on the overall look of a home.